Unraveling the Mystery, the Art of Changing Bedding. Hello and welcome, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into the cozy realm of home essentials, specifically focusing on the phrase, changing bedding. Whether you're a home care enthusiast or someone striving for comfort in your personal space, understanding this term is the first step to ensuring a clean and comfy sleep environment. So, let's unfold the layers of this household task together. Changing bedding refers to the process of removing used bed linens, such as sheets, pillowcases, and duvet covers, and replacing them with fresh ones. This practice is not just about cleanliness, it's also about providing a refreshing and comfortable sleeping environment. The phrase embodies the essence of home care and personal hygiene. Changing your bedding regularly is crucial for several reasons. Hygiene. Our bodies naturally shed skin cells and produce oils and sweat. These can seep into our bedding, creating an ideal environment for bacteria and dust mites. Allergies. Regularly changing and washing bedding can help reduce allergens like dust mites and pet dander, which are common triggers for allergy sufferers. Comfort. There's nothing like the feeling of slipping into a bed with clean, fresh-smelling sheets. It can significantly improve your sleep quality. 1. Remove the old bedding. Strip the bed of all used linens, including the fitted sheet, top sheet, pillowcases, and duvet cover. 2. Cleaning. Wash the removed bedding according to the care instructions. This usually involves using a washing machine with suitable detergents. 3. Drying. Ensure the washed bedding is thoroughly dried, either in a dryer or air-dried, to prevent mold and mildew growth. 4. Placing fresh bedding. Carefully lay the clean fitted sheet first, followed by the top sheet. Then, encase the pillows in fresh pillowcases and the duvet in its cover. 5. Finishing touches. Smooth out any wrinkles and arrange the bedding neatly to invite a welcoming and comfortable sleep environment. Wash frequency. It's generally recommended to change and wash your bedding once a week, but this can vary based on personal preference and lifestyle. Storage. Store your extra bedding in a cool, dry place and ensure it's completely dry before storing to prevent mold. Quality matters. Invest in good quality bedding that not only lasts longer but also provides comfort and ease during the changing process. Changing your bedding is more than a chore. It's a ritual that enhances your sleeping experience and maintains a hygienic living space. We hope this video sheds light on the significance and steps of changing bedding, making your journey to a clean and serene sleep haven a breeze. Sweet dreams and happy homemaking!